Hi there, I'm Emily Barta with Housewares TV. As we walk through the 2012 International Home and Housewares Show, we see a lot of design, a lot of innovation, and even a lot of double-sided products. And Rob from Casabella is going to talk to us about two of them, starting with this Peel and Slide double-sided peeler. What is this?
Yeah, the Peel and Slide is a multifunctional kitchen tool. The serrated blade is used for soft fruits and vegetables like tomatoes and peaches. You slide the cover over, revealing another blade that can be used to peel carrots and potatoes.
So not only double-sided, but also multifunction and space-saving, and coming in a few different colors?
It does. It's available in yellow, orange, and blue.
And how much will it cost?
It'll be $7.99 retail.
So not only do we have double-sided peelers, but we also have double-sided cleaning products, including the Quick Scrub double-sided spray mop. Tell us a little bit more about this.
Well, this is the most revolutionary product we've introduced in the last couple of years. It is a double-sided spray mop that has a very low profile, a very strong pull, and a microfiber pad that covers both surfaces of the mop and is flippable so that you use both sides of the material to cover twice the cleaning area.
And how much will this cost?
This will be $29.99.
So both of these double-sided products will be able to be found in specialty stores starting in May 2012. The double-sided peeler retailing for $7.99 and the double-sided spray mop starting exclusively at Bed Bath & Beyond for $29.99.